Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Manju. I'm an upper GI surgeon in Sydney. Welcome to Gastro-oesophageal Reflux Disease or GORD. So what is reflux? The rise of stomach contents into the food pipe or esophagus is referred to as reflux. Reflux is common and a normal phenomenon, but not everyone gets symptoms. When the stomach contents rise up into the esophagus excessively, or if it continues for a prolonged period of time, this is when it causes symptoms or complications. Unlike our stomach, esophagus is not designed to handle the acid or bile. Typically, we get heartburn or regurgitation as the symptoms. The reflux can happen at any point of the day or night. It can affect all age groups, and it can be either acid or bile. Thank you for listening, and in the next part, we'll talk about the typical and the atypical symptoms of reflux, the complications of reflux if it continues for a prolonged period of time, and what are the risk factors of reflux.